In this video, I want to give you some basic information about one program. It is called Helioscope program. Helioscope program is used for solar system. It is very easy, well user interface program which can help you to draw some solar systems and get some reports about the solar system. First thing is to start Helioscope and write Helioscope into Google. It will open this site and log in for free period for 30 days. You can use this program for free for 30 days. Okay, when you do that, you will open like this Helioscope main program. Next step is to open new project and insert some basic informations about the project. Okay, new project, some basic, it is the project name, it can be let's one, and here you can write the address of your object or town and country, and you can now go and zoom in and find your place. Now you can, with control scroll on, you can go and zoom in and out and find your location. Okay, this is my roof where I want to put some panels. Okay, you can here write the description. Okay, and now you can click on the create new project. Okay, here you see these are some basic things, and here next step is to create one design for this your project. Okay, click on the new design and you can name it, design 1, and it can be just design 1. Okay, now we have we have our location in the Helioscope program. You can in every time you can scroll in and out with the zoom in and out your project layout. Next step is first step in this design is to create a field segment and parameterize it. Okay, field segment is, if you click on the create field segment, it will give you some basic things. What is field segment? Field segment is a valid area for place of models, and now we want to draw the field segment where panels models will be placed. Right click at the corner, and then right click at the next corner, third corner, fourth, and at the beginning. Double click. Okay, when you double click at this, program automatically puts some panels into this field segment. Next step, or first step in this one, is to parameterize this field segment by choosing the models. You can here just maybe write the power of the model, and it will from library give you some options. I want to, in this library there are a lot of some of the most important panels and best manufacturers in the world. There are a lot of choices for solar panels here. I will use this one first. Okay, here you also have some information about the field segment. What is the height of your field segment? Let's say 20 feet. What is the azimuth angle? What is the tilt? What is the tilt of your roof? It is the roof. Here, what is the frame size, and what is the row spacing between panels, and what is the model spacing? Okay, we can put it maybe to be 1, and you see if we put it to 1, it will be more panels in our object. If you put it 3, it will be less panels, and row spacing are increasing and decreasing immediately. Okay, Now what I want to show you, it is this azimuth angle. If you right click at the middle at this point, you can right click on that and you can set azimuth to the optimal value. Okay, it will be the optimum azimuth angle for this